Hey guys, what's up? This is former Liberty Graphic Designs. Today we're going to be making some name tags, so don't go anywhere. Okay, so there's a restaurant here in Waco, and they asked me to make some name tags, and I ordered the stuff to make the name tags, right? But when the acrylic came in, that stuff looks so ugly. So I was like, no, we're not gonna use that. So I presented it to the customer. The customer said, no, that's too ugly. I was like, yeah. And so I was like, hey, why don't we cut them out of wood? And he's like, well, make me a sample. So I made him a sample. He was like, man, he fell in love with it. Okay, so that's what it's gonna look like. And the name tag measures 3 inches by 3/4 of an inch. Their logo is gonna be on there, and this is just a piece of wood. So, but if you notice how it's burnt, like where you see the name Cindy, it's burnt around it. What I did is I covered it with tape. So that's what this is. I just grabbed a piece of wood. This is cedar. This is kind of stuff that you got that normally we use to line, like for example, the closets and stuff like that. So that's what I'm using. And what I did is I just put a piece of tape. So yeah, and the reason why you see this one burn is because this is a sample. This is the one that I was using to find out, you know, how much power I need to put the laser at, so you can cut this and engrave it. So I'm gonna be cutting, I don't even know how many are there. It's about 12, 15 of them. So I already got the wood set up. Like I said, I got painter's tape. I put painter's tape on it, and if you see, one of them doesn't have, one side doesn't have painter's tape, the other one does. But the one that I want to be cutting is already on the laser itself. So let me turn everything on, because you know these things are kind of loud. So let me turn everything on, and then I'll show you the whole process. Okay, so I'm gonna do everything with the door open. There's gonna be a lot of smoke because this is wood. So hopefully the extractor can take all the smoke out, and the shop is gonna be smelling like smoke, right? But yeah, I'm gonna do everything with the door open. I know in previous videos I said that the laser doesn't run with the door open, but there's a little trick to make the laser run. I'm just not gonna show you that trick. So just so you guys know, this video is sponsored by Camfive. They're the ones that supply the laser. So if you guys are looking to buy a laser, check out Camfive. There's a description, there's a link on the description below. And just so you guys know, I don't get kickbacks, okay, from Camfive. They don't pay me to say anything nice about them. They don't. They did supply, however, the laser for me to do reviews and stuff like that. So if you guys are looking to buy a laser, make sure you check them out. Check out Camfive. And if you are looking for a laser and you want to buy one from Camfive, make sure you use code or discount code liberty01, and you will get a discount. How much, I really don't know, because it depends on how much you buy. So that's how they got it set up. So again, go ahead and check them out and get you a laser. These things are cool. Let me turn it on. That's how easy it is to turn it on, and then it's gonna home. Okay, so before I actually start the job, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit a trace. So it'll just do a little trace, make sure that everything's nice and in place. So nothing is, like for example, I didn't move the wood or anything like that before I actually hit run. I know some of you are gonna be asking, why are you using wood? Why are you not using acrylic? I don't wanna order any more acrylic, and because of the last one that I ordered, it was so ugly. Okay, so let me turn the extractor on. That way I can run the laser, and all the smoke will be, you know, taken out by the extractor. I'm gonna turn the laser, the actual laser, on now.
Okay.
Okay, so we are done. I've taken all the names out. That's what's left behind. Nothing but a holy piece of wood. Get it? Holy. So here's the names. So one of the things about putting tape, this is just painter's tape. I'm using frog. Is it frog tape? Yeah, frog tape. So one of the good things about using painter's tape is that if I wanted to finish this, like for example, if I wanted to paint them, I can do that because the tape is still there, or just stain them. Or what I'm gonna do on this one, I'm gonna use beeswax just to finish them, to get a nice glossy coat on them. And but yeah, that's it. It's done. I was running the laser a little slow, but I had already started the process, so I didn't stop it. I didn't want to stop it because it already started. But yeah, let me take one of these out so you guys can see it. I'm gonna take one of the managers. Okay, so there you go. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna take the tape on this one so you guys can see it. I mean, you see how small the logo is? I mean, it's very small. I mean, in relations to my, let me use my pinky. There you go. So you can see how small the little logo is. And then the word manager on this one, I mean, the word manager is about 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. And I'm gonna peel this one off so you guys can see what it looks like. And again, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish them with the beeswax. And that's gonna be tomorrow, because right now it's actually pretty late. I don't know what time it is, but I know it's pretty late right now. Let me check what time it is. Probably like midnight. Yeah, it's actually 12 o'clock. Okay, so all I'm doing right now is I'm just removing the tape, you know, the painter's tape, and it comes off very, very easy. I mean, it's, you know, that's it. Let me see. Let me take out. There's another piece right there. So again, it's gonna be kind of hard for the camera to focus because it's looking for my face. There you go, right there. So that's what it's gonna look like. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the beeswax. Right now, I'm gonna do it by hand, but I'm actually gonna add the beeswax with the buffer. That way, it actually puts a little bit of sheen on them. But just so you guys can see it, again, let me hold this up. Hopefully the camera will focus. Let me try to cover my face. That way it'll focus. No, it's not gonna focus. Anyways, that way you guys can see what it looks like before and after. I'm actually gonna cover half of it so you guys can see. And then with the buffer, it's gonna look a lot better, because again, the buffer is gonna seal the wood, and it's going to give it a little bit of sheen. If I can get the camera to focus right there, but see, it's not focusing correctly, but you can actually see the difference. You know, this is untreated, this is a beeswax. So that's how, I mean, that's how big of a difference already made. With the buffer, it's gonna look a lot better, because again, it's gonna create a little bit of sheen on it, and it smells good too. It smells really good. It smells like honey and citrusy and orange and stuff like that. So just in case if you're wondering how I'm gonna apply this, I have a magnets that are gonna go behind it, and I'm just trying to buff it right now. And all I'm doing is I'm just rubbing this microfiber with the beeswax, and I'm being careful not to put any beeswax in the back, because there's gonna be a piece of adhesive or like double-sided tape, and I don't want the beeswax to keep it from sticking. So I'm just buffing the front of it. And then I'm gonna show you two of them. I'm gonna show you this one and the one that I show you right at the beginning. And again, all I'm doing is just buffing the this little deal. So it already looks really nice. I mean, the buffer is actually gonna make it look super nice. So This is the one that you saw at the beginning at the show, the one that I did, and as you can see, yeah, you can't even see it. Anyways, let me try to cover my face because this camera is gonna follow my face. Anyways, you cannot really see it, right? But this one, it looks kind of burned. Focus. Anyways, here's the one that I just did, and you'll see the difference. You see that? And that was just me adding the beeswax. So the beeswax makes a lot of difference. And I was thinking of using some shellac. That's to give it a little more sheen to it. But I think for a name tag, this is perfect. It looks very natural. The bottom one is untreated. The bottom one is raw. And the top one is the one that has the beeswax. So now all we do is just add this little deals on it. And as you can see, I'm peeling the double-sided tape. And you just place it in the back. And these things are magnets. So that's why I was saying I was being careful not to put any beeswax on the back, because that might keep it from sticking. And then see, you get the magnets out, and let me show you what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna become the manager for El Ranchito restaurant. And then you just put it on there, take the magnets in the back, and that's it. I mean, it's not even in the right spot, right? But that's how easy it is. You just put those little magnets in the back, and then when you go to take it off, just hold the magnet in the back and then take it off. So let me show you. Magnets. Voila. See, and that's how, I mean, I think it looks really nice. And then their logo, I created the logo about 7 years ago, 8 years ago. And their logo is actually around the logo is actually wood. It's not wood, right? But it's I created it to make it look like there was wood. So these name tags will actually go hand in hand with their logo, and it looked very, very nice. Awesome. So the only thing that I have a problem with is this camera not focusing. I wanted to see if it'll focus so you guys can see how good it looks. So there you go. That's how good it looks. Again, the camera is not is not helping right now, but trust me, it looks really, really nice. It says manager, and on the left hand side it says, well, actually your right hand side, it says El Ranchito. So it's pretty cool. Like them. So that's it for this video, guys. It was a pleasure like always, but just in case if you guys are wondering where I got these magnets from, the magnets, I got them from JDS Industries. I cannot remember how much I paid for them, but they were under $1 on this magnets. So under $1, and I bought like, I don't know, like 100 of them. The wood, I got it at Lowe's. You can either get it at Lowe's or Home Depot. And this is the type of wood. Let me take this tape off so you guys can see it. So this type of wood this is cedar. And what this is for is you normally use this one to line your closets. Like inside of the closet, usually they put this inside of the closet to make your clothes and everything smell good. That's what that is. And I think I paid like either $20 or $30. I cannot remember because I bought this a long time ago that we made a sign for a wedding. That's why I had it here. So, but yeah, that's the wood. I got it at Lowe's. Again, you can get it either at Home Depot or Lowe's. And then the magnets, I got them at JDS. The beeswax, though, the beeswax, believe it or not, I probably had this thing for like, for a good 5 years. I bought this beeswax at a woodworking store. It's called Rockler's. That's where I got the beeswax from. But I'm pretty sure you can find it on Amazon. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to look for this on Amazon and put a link in the description below, just in case if you guys want to get this beeswax and the magnets. So I will put a link in the description below. So enough said, guys. Thank you for watching. That was it for this video. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't subscribed, and ding the bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you find it useful, If you liked it, don't forget to give that thumbs up. If you guys didn't like anything of this whole entire video, you know, you're welcome to hit the thumbs down. Guys, also, don't forget, Camfive is the one sponsoring this video. Every time I use the laser, guys, Camfive is sponsoring. And guys, if you guys want to buy parts or lasers, go to Camfive Lasers. Use my code Liberty01 so you can get a discount. Don't worry, I am not getting any kickbacks, okay? So all the discounts are going directly to you. I don't get anything. Camfive already sent me the laser for free. That's my payment. So thank you guys. Be blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye now. Good night. Wait, it's kind of like good morning already, because it's like, it's 12:11 midnight. So my camera I need to get a new camera, because look at that, 12:11 now a.m. I need to go to sleep. I talk too much. See you later. God bless you. Good morning, good night, whatever it is you're at. Adios. God bless you. I already said that right. See you later, guys.